By the time the body is expressing an illness in a specific area of the physical body, that means energetically I am living a reality that is not coherent with who I am. Quantum entanglement tells us that we are connected. Everything starts in an energetic base. The form of the energy field gets connected to matter in a way that it's then represented in what we call real. If allopathic medicine is founded on the idea of materialism, we are actually going to work on the opposite side of it, which is the energetic or the informational field. Matter has a certain meaning because of the field behind it. That's the field of information that we are going to work on.
Traditional talk therapies and how they don't usually work, and how this kind of fills in a lot of the holes of traditional medicine.
I like that.
You know, there's been several issues that you've helped me with that I actually did not know were in the forefront of my processing patterns.
Right.
I just want to help people people to be informed that this is an option and that we don't have to go to the doctor for everything, that there are ways to heal naturally. So
I've been a massage therapist for 16 years, and for the first dozen years I like to say that I stay on the medical side of things. I knew that there was energy healing, but it was so woo-woo, it was out there. I thought you had to be a hippie to be into that sort of thing, and that wasn't my lifestyle or my interests. And 4 years ago, my daughter was really sick, and we tried talk therapy and medication and meditation and massage and reflexology and yoga and all those things that you try. We were absolutely desperate, and desperation brought us to Danny Reyes, Danny Reyes came to us. The universe brought him to us, and our eyes were wide open that day. Our perspective completely changed. She was healed in 2 sessions by you, and I just knew I had to learn more. The people around me thought I was a little bit crazy for going this new route, because I'd been so science-based and so medically based and all about the anatomy and the physiology, and I found that it's very seamlessly incorporating into the healing work that I already do, and there's so much research and science behind it that I feel like it speaks to people that want to see that side of things. Some people are very energy minded and they're already open to that, but 3/4 of the people that I discuss energy healing with, it's like they can't even hear me.
Right.
But when we bring the science aspect into it, and the pH imbalances and the magnet therapy, and they're able to see that that's already an established thing in this world, that speaks to them. And I feel like that would help draw people to the work I'm already doing.
That's right. What would be one key of this whole course that has resonated with you the most?
The coherence piece. How our physical, mental, and emotional journeys all have to come together in order for the balance to occur. The coherence was a new concept for me, and for there to be balance and for everything to work together and for the abundance to come, you have to have that coherence. I naturally am at a point where I have to evolve as a therapist. I'm moving to a different state by the end of the year, and I've been dreading ending this massage therapy practice and building a practice again for the 3rd time. And what I found is that with my energy healing, I'm already building my practice. I get to take it with me and evolve and change and keep what I want, the pieces from the old, and bring it with me into the new, and I get to reinvent it and just grow and evolve and add.
So originally I thought it would just be to help me because I still need a lot of healing, and my family.
Right.
And my relatives were kind of interested because I went to a family reunion, and it made me go, wow, maybe this is something I could do. And
Right,
so
right.
I've made the little office, and I'm ready to start practicing.
That's
So-
awesome. All right. Tell me a little bit about what are your plans after taking this course?
Actually, I'm just on a self-healing journey, so I don't really have very many plans to practice. I am opening up to it. I am
Right.
kind of open to the thought
Right,
more than
right.
I was before, but being an energy healer wasn't necessarily on my to-do list.
Radar.
But I'm intrigued.
Of course.
More than intrigued, I'm a little fascinated by all of it. So.
That's right. Well, the beautiful part about energy healing, and especially about the biomagnetic code therapy, is that it's applicable for pets and plants.
Yes.
So you are a plant and pet lover.
Yes, I am.
And we've talked a little bit about the possibility that you might incorporate this into your gardening with your pets. Some
And I have
holistic.
I own a dog treat company.
That's right.
So it will kind of parallel in that regard. But yeah, lots of open doors.
That's right.
Lots of open doors.
Well, I cannot wait to see what you do with this new information, because everybody has a specific gift, and I know that if you take this and merge it with your gift, great things will automatically happen.
Agreed. Thank you.
Because I thought this will have to replace the massage therapy part. I won't be able to, if I move away from that, this will replace the hands-on massage therapy part. But now I realize
Infinite possibilities.